Managing medical emergencies above the clouds. First aid in flight.
At 35,000 feet, immediate medical care is limited. Making calm, quick first aid essential.
Sir, are you all right? Please try to relax.
I can't breathe my chest.
Just breathe with me. Help is coming.
Did you know that a medical emergency can happen on virtually any commercial flight? At 35,000 feet, immediate medical care is limited, making calm, quick first aid essential.
Common emergencies. The most common in-flight medical emergencies include fainting, breathing difficulties, chest pain, allergic reactions, low blood sugar, seizures, and motion sickness. Cabin crew are specially trained to respond until professional medical help becomes available.
First response. If someone becomes ill, 1. Stay calm. 2. Alert the cabin crew immediately. 3. Follow their instructions. 4. Do not crowd the patient. 5. If you're a healthcare professional, identify yourself to the crew.
Help me, I can't breathe. Stay calm, sir. We are here to help.
Get the medical kit, quick.
Here's some oxygen, sir.
Onboard medical equipment, first aid kits, emergency medical kits, oxygen equipment, automated external defibrillator.
Onboard medical equipment. Commercial aircraft carry first aid kits, emergency medical kits, oxygen equipment, and automated external defibrillators known as AEDs on many flights. These tools can help stabilize a passenger until the aircraft lands.
Keep breathing, sir. Just relax.
Relax.
Stethoscope's ready. Check his chest.
How's he doing?
His breathing is stabilizing. He'll be okay.
When it's an emergency, call the cabin crew immediately if someone has severe chest pain, difficulty breathing, signs of stroke, uncontrolled bleeding, seizures lasting several minutes, or becomes unconscious. The flight crew may request medical assistance from passengers or even divert the aircraft if necessary.
Remember, stay calm. Notify the cabin crew immediately. Early first aid and teamwork can make the difference between life and death, even above the clouds.
Preparedness saves lives at 35,000 feet.